Well, airline employees converged on the federal courthouse in Cleveland, demanding an extension and federal help. That could be the one thing between them and the unemployment line in just 16 days. Congress approved the payroll support program back in March to keep the airline industry from going belly up.
News 5's Jordan Vandenberg is going in depth now to show us what it could mean if Congress doesn't act quickly.
Their 9 to 5 is spent at 38,000 feet.
Workers first is the way to go.
Well, at least it used to.
Airlines unite, together we fight.
United, American, or Southwest, no matter their stripes, they are largely grounded.
We're trying to rally support for a clean extension of the payroll support program.
Without their action to extend this legislation, we face tens of thousands of people on the unemployment line, not only in the aviation industry, but across our nation and the globe.
The payroll support program is a $25 billion initiative to keep the airline industry airborne. Similar to the payroll protection program designed to help small businesses, the PSP was designed to keep airline employees on the payroll through September 30th. According to the U.S. Treasury, United, American, and Southwest Airlines received a combined $14 billion.
This is not a bailout. This directly goes to the workers in payroll and allows them to keep connected to their health care during a pandemic.
Early on in the pandemic, COVID-19 put travel into a tailspin. On March 31st, the TSA reported a 93% drop in air travel compared to 2019, and the airlines were burning millions of dollars a day. And there hasn't been a dramatic improvement over the past 5 months either. According to TSA data, the number of people flying is less than half of what it was last year.
We connect people with the things that matter, and it's an important infrastructure of our country. And if the collapse of the airline industry would be absolutely devastating.
And not just the national economy, but Ohio and Cleveland's economy too. Local officials say aerospace and aviation is a $3.2 billion industry in Northeast Ohio, employing thousands. Layoffs, unfortunately, are already coming. United, ExpressJet, and other vendors at Hopkins have already filed layoff notices with the state. And those that rallied at the federal courthouse worry that it just might be the beginning.
It has an effect on everyone. It's not just the airline workers. It's the whole economy as one, but the airline workers are the ones that will feel it first.
And Senator Sherrod Brown has demonstrated support for an extension of this federal relief package. And in a statement late today, he implored his Republican colleagues and President Trump to get back to the bargaining table and get some sort of extension passed. Courtney.
And Jordan, we've seen the coronavirus impact on the airline industry nationwide, but you talked about some layoffs in your report. How has it affected our airport here at Hopkins?
That's a really good question. My dad had an old saying of, when you think you've made ends meet, somebody moves the ends. That's kind of what's been going on with Hopkins. Hopkins has had a couple of really good years where they saw travelers increasing year to year and year over year. But all of that has kind of come to a standstill. The airport director told City Council early last month that passenger travel dropped nearly 60%. And in total, there'll be 6 million fewer passengers this year compared to last year.
Wow. Thanks so much, Jordan. We appreciate it.